Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Guy from Dope Cards and Box Breaks, and we've got another NBA 2014-2015 Prestige from Target exclusively. This is my second box I've done of this. This is actually from my mother-in-law as a Christmas present. So let's rip this open and see what we got. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, here we go. First pack. Alright, Mason Plumlee, Anthony Bennett. Our first hit, Scottie Pippen, 160 out of 199. Jersey relic, Spencer Dinwiddie, rookie card. Prestigious Pioneers, Dominique Wilkins, pretty good looking card. And then James Harden base. Rookie cards up there. Alright, pack number 2. Terrence Jones, Channing Frye. Our next hit already, another true color relic out of 199, James Ennis. It's a rookie card for the Heat. Jordan McRae, rookie card for the Sixers. Prestigious Connections, Darren Williams, Jason Kidd. Pretty cool looking card. And then Nick Young. Had a really good game last night against the Spurs. Tayshaun Prince, base. Chandler Parsons, base. Gorgie Dang, base. Russ Smith, rookie card. Anthony Bennett, numbered 99 of 199. Nice parallel. And Tony Rotten, or Roten, however you say it. Next pack. Got Michael Carter Williams, Jody Meeks, Matt Barnes, Jarnell Stokes from the Grizzlies, rookie parallel, bonus shots parallel, and it is numbered 61 out of 99. Prestigious Post, Kevin Love, OJ Mayo. Terrence Ross, Mike Conley, Joe Johnson, Mitch McGary, all base. The Mitch McGary for the Thunder is a rookie card. And then Jameer Nelson, parallel, numbered to 199. Brandon Jennings base. Tyson Chandler base, Paul George, base. Caron Butler, base. PJ Harrison, rookie card. Tony Snell. It's going to go to my PC. It's a 49 out of 49. Purple parallel for the Bulls. Pretty good young player. And then Andre Iguodala, base. Victor Oladipo, Dion Waiters, Damian Ingles from the Bucks, rookie card. Mason Plumlee for Brooklyn, numbered to 199, and then Jamal Crawford, base. Feels like it's gonna have our next patch in it. Last patch, I should say. I think you only get 3 in these boxes. I've already seen 2 of them. Nope, it just feels thick for some reason. Alright, Kevin Garnett, base. Tyreke Evans, base. Chris Bosh, base. Elfrid Payton from the Magic, base. Base rookie card. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, nice card. Number 93 out of 99. Blue parallel. And Sean Marion, base. Still has Sean Marion in his Dallas uniform, and that's probably my last hit there. We'll save it for last. This pack wants to open. Got 1 pack left after this. Here we go. Oh, this has something in it. Maybe an autograph. Alright. Adrian Payne, rookie card for the Hawks. Hardcourt Heroes, Chris Paul. Lance Stevenson, base. Joakim Noah, base. Derrick Rose, base. Very nice. And the autograph is from Hollis Thompson, 76ers, number to 49. Very nice. Very, very nice card. It's a sticker. I'm fairly certain, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm fairly certain this product only has sticker autos. And then the base will go there. And our last hit, which should be a jersey of some sort. Maybe we'll get a patch. Alright. Dwight Howard. It's a pretty cool looking card. It's got him like going up for a dunk from overhead view. Pretty cool. Vince Carter. Dirk. Jarnell Stokes. Franchise favorites. Darren Williams. And that Jarnell Stokes is a rookie card. And then Otto Porter. So we'll go back over our 3 hits we got. Bunch of rookies there. And then our parallels. So Tony Snell, eBay 1 of 1, 49 out of 49 for the Bulls. Purple parallel. We've got 2 blue parallel, number to 99, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Doesn't want to focus. Jarnell Stokes, rookie, numbered 61 out of 99. Those are the blue parallels. And then we got 3 red parallels numbered out of 199. 169 out of 199, Mason Plumlee. Jameer Nelson, 42 of 199. And Anthony Bennett, 99 out of 199. And then our 3 hits. James Ennis, 130 out of 199 for the Heat, rookie. Scottie Pippen, 160 of 199. That's actually my second Scottie Pippen jersey out of 2 boxes. So I've got 1% of all the cards in the world of this. 2 out of 199. And then Hollis Thompson, sticker auto out of 49. It's number 38 out of 49. So overall, still pretty pleased with this product. For getting it from Target, it's pretty good for your money. So, all right, thanks for watching. As always, all my cards are for sale. Comment. Let me know what you think of the break, what you think of the product, and if you're interested in any cards. All right, thanks.